Welcome back to Tech Captain, where we bring you the latest in tech news and updates. In recent weeks, there has been a flood of leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The latest leak has revealed some exciting news about the pricing of these earbuds. According to tipster Akuma Sleepy, a retail listing from South Korea has surfaced, showcasing images of the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, along with their prices listed. In South Korean won, KRW, the leak suggests that the Galaxy Buds 3 will be priced
at KRW 203, 700, while the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will cost KRW 296,
700, which translates to approximately 150. While the international pricing may not directly correspond
to currency conversion, the KRW figures align with the
starting prices of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. This has us hoping that there won't be a significant price increase for the next generation of these wireless earbuds. Anticipation has been building for the update of this product line, with the previous earbuds launching in 2021 for the standard model and 2022 for the Pro model. Luckily, the wait is almost over, as Samsung has an unpacked event scheduled for July 10th, where the Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, along with other flagship devices, are expected to make their debut. Leaked images reveal that the new earbuds will sport a sleek, AirPods-style design with thin LED light strips down the stems. There are also rumors that the earbuds will come equipped with various Galaxy AI features, although the specifics are still unclear. Samsung has previously introduced AI-powered live translation to some of its older earbuds, so we can expect some exciting advancements in the new models. That's all for this update. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and stay tuned for further developments on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Thanks for watching.